This is a Disneyland original little long-playing record, and I am your story reader. I am going to begin now to read the story of the Aristocats. You can read along with me in your book. You will know it is time to turn the page when Tinker Bell rings her little bells like this. Let's begin now. Madame Adelaide Bonfamille was a kind old lady who lived in a large townhouse in Paris. She lived there with her cat Duchess and Duchess's 3 kittens,